I mean, never know some people still on your bully beef, brother. You understand? Me know some people pour bumbo club, people still on your bully beef. Yo, all the people who are not from Jamaica, basically, yeah, bully beef, yeah, what they call corned beef. Me don't know where they get corned beef from, Jamaica. Now, bully beef, that name. You understand what I mean, yeah? So, in time, the bully beef thing, you know, I can't believe it's bully beef. Idiot sitting there going, plastic rice, kind of sitting there going, eh? Plastic rice, bully beef. What kind of foolishness them a donkey meat? I walk go on a yard. Bambaclee, Jano Star, bully beef. Eh? Why they man them a come and tell me say yo, bully beef already in a meat in a brother. Anything might chop up in that and mash up in that in a man. Who knows in a man? A cat, 2 dog, 3 rat in a man. All them sitting there might crush up in a them sitting there in a man. When me see all them sitting there about bully beef, all from the other day more report it. Too busy. Jano come here tell us say right now. Oh, I tell us a beef. And plastic rice, I kill where I yard. Me I want to the people, but that's why I tell you son of just look to where Rasta say. And allow out all the meeting a bridging. Plus this. About 4 years back, yo, a beer cow run loose in the yard. Beer cow. Me don't know where cow them gone. You understand what I mean? Beer cow. You have cow loose on the street and everything. I'm gonna go buy canned beef, bully beef. Basically, people who is not from Jamaica, it is spam. You know spam meat. That. You understand? Anyway, you don't know the thing set. You understand? Well done, Mr. Politician, man, like what Kabaka Pyramid said. Well done for tearing down the Ross Clan country. You understand what I mean? God, that's a disgrace. You understand? The next thing is about the Castran. You understand? This is what the Castran now. The man must say, yo, be a castor tree down a yard. And the people the Minister of Agriculture really deal with the thing on a level like that, you understand? So yeah, like when I say, yo, yeah, you know what I mean? Castral down there like a dirt, you understand, bridging. So the man them take advantage of the things that we do have, you understand, in abundance. So I understand what the Minister of Agriculture deal with this, so you understand what I mean? Make the people understand the value of what is on the land. You understand? Well done, Mr. Politician, man. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? Well done for giving him for make we import plastic rice. So basically, people pay to import stuff that's not even real food to feed the people. Plus, Jamaica have whole heap of swamp land. You know what I mean? We could plant our own paddy fields, make our own rice pads. You understand what I mean? Well done again, Mr. Politician, man. You understand what I mean? Yo, you see all the time, the people, right now, John, you know. Better if the man them does, you understand, whole heap of little wild animal down there, you know. Better if the man them go out in the bush, go look to a bird or sitting up in the tree or sitting there, go a river, go catch 2 fish or, you understand, go a sea or sitting, you understand what I mean? Plant some ground food and sitting, you understand, but the ministry, them have to walk ground, like Minister of Agriculture with me a little boy and give us seeds to the people who have land and give us seeds, you understand, to the farmer them, you know what I mean? So farmer have seed for plant, you understand? Give them seed, you understand what I mean? So you have to just redistribute the seed, you understand? And when time them reap, you can just collect back seed off of the farmer them, you know what I mean? And it's a back and forward process. A simple thing really, you understand? But well done, Mr. Politician, man. Well done. You understand? That's why I make a big shout out to everybody with on social media, and it's a straightforward, positive, independent, authentic Jamaican. You understand what I mean? Well done to you. You understand? And this is meaningful well done, alright? You understand? When I say well done to the politician, you know say sarcasm. All who don't know what sarcasm mean, that's what it mean. You understand? You basically tell a man thanks when you know say, you know say, I tell a boy and a thanks. You understand? So I'm also here to educate those who they call lesser educated. I that thing that, you understand? Nobody not less educated. You understand? They will know what you teach them and what they are willing to learn. You understand? So like when I say, you know what I mean? So much smart Jamaican and thing, you understand? But bully beef. Burn a bully beef. You understand what I mean? Burn a bully beef. You understand? About rice and them thing there. You have to remember, back in the day, the man them did pies up the flour in a man. You understand what I say? Back in the day, in a man, before me had born in a man in the 70s. You understand? All up come up in the wherever they saw there. Me never did born. Here, me come here about man a pies and flour. That's why them say cornmeal dumpling kill a nigga man. You understand what I mean, yeah? Me know something but me not tell a man cornmeal dumpling kill a nigga man. You don't know that. So well done, politician, man. You understand? Well done. You understand? You did a good job of tearing down our country. Well done. Where is your Jamaica? Well done, politician. You understand what I'm saying? Well done. You understand what I mean, yeah? Well done. You understand? You know, right now, we don't even know if we can trust what we are buy on shelves anymore. You understand? So I encourage all of the farmers out in Jamaica. Do your independent farming. Don't worry about selling your food to no one. Just sell the local produce to the local people around the neighborhood. Keep your neighborhood healthy and fed. You understand? Hungry man and hungry man. Lazy man not to eat, yeah? So you don't know. Big up on yourself, my people. Bully beef. Dirty bomb. Yo, no one comes too bad with it, but you don't know when I have a decent crowd, you know. So, me I tell you, buckle and bully beef, Bridget. Bun them thing there, Bridget. You understand the better if you go, yo, trust me, I'm not meat. I'm not tell a man how to eat or what to eat. You understand? I'm not think what you eat make you a better person. But hear this. You understand? That is mad. You understand? In a country where one can raise fowl and goat and them thing there. Lower bully beef, Bridget. If you understand, lower bully beef. You understand? Man, yam what they want, yam piece of real cow if I got yam cow. You understand? You understand? That's how I see it. You understand? You're one of them real youth. You understand what I'm saying? Man might say Rasta, but anything you do, just do it real, no dada. You understand? Fake out thing, bridging. All them things, they're bad for the youth, them, you know what I mean? So yeah, big up on yourself, the real Jamaican, them where I try to push the thing forward. One love, we say, you know what I mean? Blessing on your family, blessing on your house, hitting them, clotting them. You don't know it's me. It's a boy, you know what I mean? You're a fantasy world. You see me? Big up on yourself, you know? That's just my rant, you know what I mean? About how the government mash up the country. We don't have no plane. Not the year Jamaica. You know, them used to pretty in the sky and look nice. You understand? We don't have that. You understand what I'm saying, yeah? And right now, the man them even want to compromise the food that we eat by ourselves. You understand? Right now, me tell the people, them, look to the hills from welcome to help. You understand? The help come from Rasta. You understand? Rasta praise God. You understand? So, you don't know always Jawa I say. You understand? And I encourage the people them to plant. You understand what I mean? You know, food, clothes, and shelter was everything that we need. You see me? Over and out, my people. Blessed. Blessed to my 68 subscriber. Blessed to all the rest of my subscriber. Love on the children. Love on the family. Love out. As a matter of fact, you know what, people? Burn all of the canned food them in a yard. You see me, because we can't have the thing them fresh. Burn a whole lot of them can sit in there. Burn out them can sit in there, bridging. You understand? We just need to plant more food. You understand, bridging? Serious. And be serious about our local community and our local market and rise within ourselves. You understand? Because no say nobody no cook sweeter food down we. We don't want to eat that ingredient to cook a food give our children. You see it? Over and out here, my people. You understand? Remember for comment, yeah? We want to start to talk about this thing. Because this thing, sure. It bother me, but I love to go and chat to some people about it. It bother me, man, sure.